Welcome to Product Critique, your source for honest reviews and insights into the latest products on the market. Today, we're diving into something truly special, the best peach sprinkles you can find out there. Introducing the 30 Tea Party Icing Flowers by Simply SUCRÉ. These aren't just your ordinary sprinkles. They're a delightful blend of mini pastel royal icing flowers that will elevate any confectionery creation. Crafted with precision and care, these edible decorations are not only visually stunning but also 100% gluten-free, ensuring that everyone can enjoy them without worry. Imagine adorning your cakes, cupcakes, or desserts with these beautiful pink roses and ivory sprinkles. It's like adding a touch of floral elegance to your culinary masterpieces. And here's the best part. They come in food-safe reusable pet-thick plastic jars or resealable refill bags, guaranteeing freshness and convenience. Whether you're hosting a tea party, a birthday celebration, or simply indulging your sweet tooth, these sprinkles are sure to bring joy and delight to any occasion. So why wait? Elevate your baking game with the best peach sprinkles on the market. Get your hands on the 30 Tea Party Icing Flowers by Simply SUCRÉ today.